For some reason, the video didn't catch my voice, so please do not hate.
Y'all was so gay, bro. On God, bro. What's up, bro? Bro, I came from up there. I came from heaven, bro. I know. Nah, look, the video idea is that we're gonna be beating every single big scary level until you're dead. Let's go. Let's go. We're beating every single level. Bro. Alright. Bro, this is the video idea, monkey. We're beating... Dude, look. The video idea is that we beat every single... You are glitched. Come on, dude. Don't tell me you're scared. Then what do you want to do then? No, what do you want to do then? What do you want to do? Whatever, let's go. So wait, you want to go to my home then? Alright, bro. Move your gay monkey, bro. You gotta... I said let me cook. You is not making it on my mama. No. Henry. Here, wait, edit this out. Edit this part out. Actually post this on your channel because I'm going to be watching it. Edit that out. Edit what I just said out. Alright, but actually post it, okay? Alright, let's go. What? Oh yeah, this is my home. It's the background. Bro, you're... Nah, bro. You don't go to school, bro. Alright, let's go. You want to explore up here? Now we gotta beat all the levels. You are a sim. You're built like a simulation. Alright, whatever. Come on! You monkey! You monkey! I died. Here, go in front of him. Go to him. He's a sweetheart. He's right there. Treat me like my Jesus. Not for me either. Look, you gotta stop being a baby. Little crybaby. You wanna skip this level? Let's skip it. By the way, guys, this isn't my idea. It's his video idea. He's just scared. Level 2. Level 2. The guy here, he's a sweetheart, trust. Follow me. Bro, you... Bro, why are you... Wasn't even for 2 weeks. Oh, so right now we're checking out this one. No, to this one. Where is he? Where did this guy go? You're for me too. Bro, right behind you.